The 10th, Richard Hannay, is missing.
You do surprise me.
Oh, approximately 37. Fair, wavy hair, light brown, hazel eyes, pencil, moustache.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Might I see your paper?
Certainly.
I think I'll pop out to the buffet car. Finished?
Fancy anything? No thanks.
No, thank you.
Excuse me.
Sorry! Sorry!
Good heavens. The place is stiff with police. Excuse me, Constable. You caught the West End Media yet?
We'll catch and do you later.
That's the spirit.
All aboard the Highlands! Anything suspicious? You let us know, sir.
Oh yes, don't you worry.
Next stop, the Highlands!
Royal edition, sir!
No, thank you. All aboard, all aboard!
All right.
Keep your eyes peeled, won't you, sir?
Certainly will, Constable.
Don't forget, sir.
Yeah, I will, Constable.